Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Shack. My name's Lisa, and today we're going to do some more Christmas DIYs. And I think they're going to be super easy for you guys. So the first one, I actually grabbed this jar. One of my clients actually just gave me this jar. So I said I will definitely do something with it. So I'm going to make a cookie jar. So I went on my Cricut and I found this cute image off my Cricut design space, and I just printed it out. And what I did was I did two different colors, green and red, and of course it says it's not Christmas without cookies. So I did all of that, and then after that I just took some of these like snowflakes and I just put them right onto the jar for right now. Then I figured out like it needed something else like on top because it was just a little too plain. So I just grabbed a cup of my greenery, a little bit of my snowflake cookies that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then I decided to do some more of these stickers, which are from Hobby Lobby as well. They're like iridescent. So these were actually really fun. I loved how this actually turned out, and they're actually really, really sticky. So I couldn't even get them off. So I actually went a little nuts on this, and then I actually did some reindeer, sparkly reindeer, and a tree on the very bottom. This is super cute, especially for Christmas cookies, and by creating a topper for it, I absolutely love this. These stickers actually made this jar as well, so definitely keep your eyes open at Hobby Lobby. Okay, for the next DIY, I grabbed this sign from Dollar Tree, and then I grabbed two of these crates from Dollar Tree. So all I did was I just stained the crates with my Waverly wax. And then after that, I decided to stain the frame of this sign. It just needed more of that depth in there. So it just took me a couple seconds just to actually give this a little bit of a makeover to make it look a little bit more expensive. So just grabbing that Waverly wax always does the trick. Okay, so now I am gluing these two crates together, and then I am gluing the sign to the crates. Now this is a perfect fit for this sign, and I did keep the twine in the back. Now as you can see that when I did the wax, it looked like one was a lighter finish than the other one, so I just gave it a quick sand. And then here comes the fun part, is putting all the magical stuff in here. So I did glue this raffia to the bottom of the crates. If you're going to sell this, please glue the stuff inside the crates because it's just going to give it more of that stability. So I grabbed these trees from Dollar Tree. I grabbed these greenery from Dollar Tree. Everything that you see here is from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this greenery. It gives it like that little glimmer and that little Christmas sparkle, you would say. And then to jazz it up just a little bit more, I did grab these little hollies from Hobby Lobby. You get like 8 of them in a pack. And then all I did was just dry brush a little bit of white paint on here just to give it that snowy effect. Look how beautiful this one turned out. So the third DIY, I grabbed these little lanterns that actually light up. They're from Dollar Tree, guys. And all I'm doing is I'm going to put a little snowman's face on here. I did get this off my Cricut image design space. They have tons of snowman faces. Just pick one. And of course it needs a carrot nose. Now I did two of them, and they actually turned out beautiful. I thought these were like so cute. They are a slight different, as you can see, and these are a great gift to give someone, and you can definitely put these on your Christmas tree. Okay, for this DIY, I want to do a Santa key. So I grabbed this door sign from Hobby Lobby, and I gave it a quick stain of that Waverly wax. And now you can see here is I'm taking some gold sparkle and taking this chunky brush and giving it a little bit of antique-ish kind of a look. And then I actually had this key for a long time. I got this key, I'm going to say at Hobby Lobby, and all I did was put a little sticker in the middle of it, and then I just tied a piece of twine onto this key. And then, as you can see here, this Santa is from Hobby Lobby as well. So I wanted to bring that into this project. I love this little like charm, Santa wooden charm, you would say. So cute. So all I did was put a little twine on it and secure it with a little bit of hot glue. After that was all done, I went on my Cricut design space again, and on my images, I just print out Santa's Magic Key. There's a couple different versions, so just find the one that you really like. So I printed that out, and you can see right here, I am just kind of dotting the eyes with some paint. It just gives it that finish flair, and you guys, look how cute this one turned out. I love this one, and this will be going on my door. Okay, for the last DIY, I had this cup and saucer for a while, and I needed to do something with it. So this kind of reminds me of a little bit of Christmas flair. So I'm going to create a topper for this. So what you want to do is you're going to take some styrofoam from the Dollar Tree and stick it right into the cup. And I would put maybe a little hot glue on it. So as you can see here, I'm sticking a little bit more of that foam in there just to give it more of a stability, and taking all these picks from the Dollar Tree, sticking them in there. And then you can see here, I put some moss. I did put a little glue on top of the moss, and then put some snow on there just to give it that snowy effect. I grabbed this little snowman from Hobby Lobby. The pine cone is from Dollar Tree. The little holly buttons, as you can see here, are from Hobby Lobby. The little peppermints are from Hobby Lobby, and just having fun with this. I did decide that it needed a little bit of jingle bells, so I just strung on 2 jingle bells. These jingle bells are actually from the Dollar Tree, and I just strung them with a piece of twine, and there you go, guys. Look how cute this one turned out. This is a great gift for somebody as well who loves tea and coffee. And you guys, if you love these projects, give me that thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe, I would love you on board. And I'll see you next one, guys. Bye. Take care.